Hello and welcome to a 15-minute morning yoga flow. My name is Joy Cameron and I'll be more than glad to guide you through this beautiful yoga session. Let's hop on our mats and get started. So we're going to start from the top of our mats, standing in mountain pose, having our palms at heart center in prayer position. We're going to do some breath work, so slowly inhale from your belly and exhale, focusing on white light or cleansing light flowing through your body, cleansing out what is not necessary. And I want you to focus now on that light energy rushing through you all the way from the bottom of your feet to the center and the core of the earth, to ground our energies and to bring them back up, to fill our temple with light, to ground and to focus. We will begin with our hands in prayer position, coming above our heads, doing a slight back bend, coming down to a forward fold to touch our toes. We're going to warm up with a sun salutation. So take the low lunge, put the left leg back first, and come into a high plank. Inhale, exhale into chaturanga. Inhale into upward facing dog. And exhale, release in downward facing dog. Bring the left foot back up into low lunge. Inhale. Exhale, bring the right foot back up to the left. And come back into mountain pose with prayer hands overhead. And then rain them down towards your heart center with an inhale and an exhale. And again, coming into sun salutation, the opposite leg goes back first now, so bring the right foot back first. Inhale and low lunge. Exhale into plank. Inhale into your upward facing dog. And exhale into your downward dog. Bringing that right foot up again into a low lunge as we look up. And inhale. Bring our left foot to our right foot, exhale and forward fold. Inhale, palms overhead. Rain the palms down to heart, exhale. And inhale, palms overhead. Rain down into forward fold. Step the left foot back. Inhale, bring the palms up above head. Rain them down. Step into high plank, exhale into chaturanga, inhale into upward dog, and exhale to downward dog. Bring the left foot back into low lunge, bring the right foot to match. Inhale, palms overhead, and then rain them down to heart center. Inhale and exhale here. And again, prayer hands overhead into forward fold. Bring the right foot back in low lunge. Inhale. Bring the palms overhead. Rain the palms down. Exhale. Step the left foot back. High plank. Exhale in chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale in downward dog. Bring the right foot up again in low lunge. Look up. Inhale. Exhale into forward fold, and inhale, palms overhead, and then rain palms down at the heart center. Inhale and exhale here. One more time. Inhale, palms overhead, bring down to forward fold, step the left foot back, low lunge. And from here, I want you to come into a warrior pose. So our first warrior pose we'll do here, we're gonna have that front leg slightly bent, that back leg supporting us. And then we're gonna bring that left arm down, touching the mat. Come back up into a strong warrior. Show confidence for the morning time. Show the universe you are ready to start your day. Come into high plank. Exhale into chaturanga. Inhale in upward dog. Exhale into downward dog. Bring that left foot forward. Low lunge. Inhale. Right foot with the left foot. Forward fold, and then come into prayer hands in the air, and then rain your hands down at heart center. One more time. Forward fold, low lunge with the right foot, and then come into your warrior pose. Inhaling here, bring that right palm down to the mat. Look up at the opposite palm. Bring that right palm off the mat and come into your warrior pose. Inhale and exhale here. Come down into high plank, chaturanga. Inhale at upward dog. Exhale in downward dog. Bring the right foot forward, low lunge. Inhale, now bring the left foot to the right. Inhale, palms overhead, and bring the palms gently down in prayer position at heart center. Inhale and exhale here. Thank you guys for a beautiful warm-up as we will set our intentions for the rest of our yoga session. A beautiful yoga session ahead. We're going to begin in a wide leg forward fold. Then we're going to twist to the left and right a little bit. Bring your fingertips to the mat or as far as you can. And widen your stance a little bit more as we continue to do this stretch. Want to get those legs nice and open. Inhaling and exhaling in this position. Move a little to the left and then a little to the right. Turn towards your left side and hold and stretch. Breathe here. Exhale and turn towards your right side. Hold and stretch and breathe here. Bring and shuffle your feet back together and standing. Going to come to the top of our mat, squat down, and do a full leg stretch. We're going to bring our arms above head, and we're going to bring our arms to fully stretch and touch our left toes. Take it gentle and smooth. Try your best to stretch a little bit further each time you go down. Inhale. Exhale, rain your arms down. Try to grab your heels. Bring that nose to knee. Very good. And now the right leg. Same stretch here. Bring your arms above head and then reach them down to touch your right toes. Gently stretch in the movement. Bring your arms above head and then bring them down. Stretch. Our aim is to touch our toes, if not our toes, then our heels, and eventually bring our nose to knee. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Alright, move and wiggle our legs a little bit. Now we're going to cross over one leg over the other and do a back twist. So bring the left leg over the right leg that's extended. Place that elbow over the knee and twist to the opposite opposite side. Now we will start with our core. We're going to do some flutter kicks here just to give the core some power, bring it some fire and motivation for our day. 21 counts for the flutter kicks, and then come into seated position. Inhale and exhale here. We're going to come into boat pose and count for 30, 29, 28, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, inhale and exhale in seated position. Now we're going to come into high plank, and we're going to hold high plank here for a minute. Just inhaling and exhaling, creating that strength, that groundedness we need, connecting with Mother Earth to strengthen our core and our being. Inhale and exhale. Bring our knees to the mat. Come in tabletop position. Now we're going to come on our lying flat on our stomachs. We're going to do some cobra poses. So use our elbows to support us in cobra pose. And we're just going to pump here 11 times in cobra pose, getting that lower back and that spine activated as much as you can. And hold at the top of the 11th baby cobra. Inhale and exhale. Straighten your elbows into upward facing dog. Inhale and come back into tabletop position. In this extended child's pose that we have entered, we want to just bring one arm underneath the other and then bring our foreheads touching the mat just to get a release on our shoulders, and do the opposite side the same way. Have one arm extended and then the other arm underneath with your forehead touching the mat. To a downward dog, and we're gonna place our head on the mat just to bring this energy down now into our crown. I'm going to bring my arms in balance. I'm going to bring it behind my back and hold namaste. Inhale and exhale here for 8 counts, and come back and come into downward dog. You should feel a slight rush of energy to your crown, igniting and awakening the energies of the crown. You can go ahead and leave your palms on the mat if it's easier for you, or you can go ahead and place your palms behind your back in namaste. Balance here, hold for 8 seconds. Then push yourself back up into downward dog. Inhale and exhale, pedaling the feet. Coming down, bring your knees to the mat. Bring your knees to the mat. Roll your shoulders back. Going to come into a seated position. Here now we're going to do some breath work. We're going to take our palms with our fingertips touching, and we're going to bring our palms up as we inhale. Bring them up towards our chin. We're going to flip them over and push our palms towards the sky as we exhale. Rain our palms down. And as we bring them towards our abdomen, we're going to begin our inhale and raise them up towards our chin. Flip our palms over, and we are going to exhale, pushing our palms towards the sky and raining them down. We're going to inhale, releasing any energies that do not serve us. Flip our palms over, push them back into the universe for them to be recycled, for the energy to be refreshed, to release them from our energy bodies, and let universal energies create newness in our spirits. This breath work is simply just to release old energies that don't serve us, stuck energies, and cleanse our system. Thank you so much. Prayer, hands at heart center. Be grateful for the day as we set our intentions for our goals. We can place our left palm over our right palm. Inhale. Exhale, receive the blessing for the new day. Have peace and joy in the week ahead. I hope you all enjoyed this session. I enjoyed being here with you. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.